Now, if I know I'm going into a park that has a dump station, I don't worry about hunting, dumping water when I'm on the road. If I've been on the road 3 or 4 days, I'll come in here and dump. Come to the dump station. It's a pretty nice dump station. I come to the dump station and dump before I went to the campsite. And then I would go camp, and then I would dump before I left. We take showers and clean up and wash all the dishes and everything we're gonna do. When we used to have a washing machine, we'd go to washing clothes. Mama'd be washing clothes when she hit the campsite. But hey, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful camp. Just plain beautiful. Till we moved in the house, that was home right there. We would be at home, but now it's just a camper.